Hey guys, welcome back to Ankita's World. In today's video, I'm like super excited because today we're going to be making some slime. And I've never done slime on my channel. But I have made slime before, but I haven't done it on my channel, which I'm super excited to do. And I decided I want to make Christmas slime because Christmas is like right around the corner. So let's get begin. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so what you're going to need to make this slime is a bowl or a plate to make your slime in, glue, of course. I'm just using some all-purpose glue. I couldn't find Elmer's glue, so. Lotion, it's optional for you. I won't be using paint or like coloring because it's gonna be because I want to look like snow and like wet glue, like glitter. It's optional. I want to make it look like Christmas, so white mixed with these colors, glitters. Some activator. Sorry. And last but not least, you're gonna need a mixing tool. I'm just using this mixing tool. So let's get right into making some slime, guys. So what you're gonna need first is you're gonna take out your bowl or plate, set it right up here. Looks pretty good. And then you're gonna add some glue. So I'm gonna open it up just like so. And actually don't add the whole bottle, so I'm just gonna add like a bit. Some right inside. Okay, that much looks enough. So you guys see I added this much glue. And now you want to add your lotion. So, get some lotion. You can use like any type of lotion. I mean, you don't have to use lotion. It just makes it like really soft and like stretchy. Okay, that looks enough. And you're gonna take your mixing tool, as you guys see, I haven't got that much. You're gonna mix it. You can use like any mixing tool. I just said to use my popsicle stick. You can use like a spoon or anything, like absolutely anything you want. And I've actually never done slime with glitter, so it's my first time. So let me just get some glitter onto the lid. Okay guys, so I just got it. So I'm gonna start off by adding my green glitter. So as you can see, it's really sparkly. So it's like I add like a lot of glitter because I want it to be like super glittery. So as you guys see, I have to do it on the lid because there's like not like a shaker thing. I'm really excited to do it on my. I've never done like slime on my channel. It's like pretty cool. Like I just want to do it because I've been like doing like everything. I've been doing some. So I want to make it a bit different, just because I feel like I want to make. I don't want to like make my videos all the time so boring. And I made my. Holy smokes! And I actually made my my 5 subscriber special. Please okay, so it's gonna be, oh wow, it looks pretty good. Doesn't it look Christmassy, guys? What do you guys think? I think it looks Christmassy. I think I added a bit too much glitter, but still. So see, whoop. It's still not slime yet, because I haven't had my activator. So yeah. So I'm going to use like liquid detergent for my activator. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some. Glue. So let's see if it stops forming or not. Ooh, it's forming! Look at guys. It's forming. I can feel it getting a bit thicker. I'm sorry, I'm not showing my face so much. I was like, cut off. I'm so sorry. But look, it's actually forming, guys. I'm so happy that it's actually forming. So I'm just gonna activator. I feel like I need a bit more activator. But guys, also keep in mind that you don't want to like over activate it. Cause you don't like, you have to get like really rubbery and like really hard and stuff, you know. That won't be fun to play with. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop. Happy win. Happy win. Please tell me in the comments if you like my top subscriber special. I need a bit more activator. Put it over here. Don't want to waste any glue. Well, see, it's okay. It's definitely forming. I feel like it looks really Christmassy. Oh, sorry. So I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put more activator in, like so. Okay, guys, so I'm starting to need it because it's like pretty good. And you guys don't have to add like glitter or like I didn't add shaving foam because I wasn't planning to make fluffy slime. You don't have to add lotion or anything. You can make normal white slime or without any glitter. I actually bought glitter to make like slime. I guess a bit like this. Whoa! Oh wow, this is really nice. Still a bit sticky though. Oh phew. Glitter mess everywhere. You guys can't really see it though, but. So I'll be back when I'm done eating, okay? Yeah? Let's do this. So I can't believe it actually turned out like it actually, like the slime worked with even glitter in it. I mean, I don't really understand why it wouldn't, so I'll be back when I'm done eating this slime. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm finished eating my Christmas slime. Sorry, just look at how cool it is. Try to get everything out of the way for you guys. Look how glittery it is. I'm trying to focus this. Focus. Sorry. Try to focus it. So you guys see it's like really cool. You guys see the sparkles. And it's just like awesome. You guys see the sparkles? Yeah, okay. Just look at how stretchy it is. I mean, it's so cool. And I just absolutely love it. And it's just awesome. And this is really pokey as well. Sorry, it took me a bit of a while to need it. But it wasn't on camera, so it was pretty good. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section. Ooze on over to my next video, guys. And I'm so sorry, I forgot to apologize that I didn't upload any videos in like a long time because I was so busy and I was like I couldn't like get a chance. Like Sab was coming over, like, and then I was at school, and oh my god, I was just absolutely so busy. So I couldn't upload any video, but today was the day, and I wanted to make this for like so long. So today's the day. She actually got to see it. That's what it is actually. Switching. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And tell me down in the comment section if you like slime just as much as I do. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!